Danke bafowethu, welcome back to Nkuli Soccer. Breaking news bafowethu, final team noma squad yabafana abayiselectile ezosithatha isibeke laphana ku-World Cup or bazofail. Yibo-ke laba, this is the final 23 bafowethu. Goalkeeper ku-Williams, uGosi, uSipho Shane, and then uKhoza, Khuliso Motaung ubuyile, Aubrey Modiba, uNdamane, uMbokazi, uMatuludi lo ePolokwane City, uKabini, uNkosinathi Sibisi, uSithole naye ubuyile bafowethu, uMokoena, u-Obers, uMbatha, uMorena, u-Apholisi, uMbule, and then laphana phambili kuno-Rainers, kuno-Foster, kuno-Muremi, kuno-Mohaung Kotza, uRille Mofokeng. Final 23 bafowethu. So we'll go to individual players abafew esikhulume ngabo ukuthi mhlambe bazo-eda nesquadini. I mean uMuremi last time bengangaselectwanga, but for the past few games for Orlando Pirates has been one of the standout performers, so I don't see a major reason why bangamselect. But Hugo Bros ubona this is like the best squad ukuthatha bafana siyise kuphi ku-World Cup. uMuremi udlale kahle kakhulu bafethu, udlala kahle kakhulu ku-Orlando Pirates, angifuni ukuqamba amanga yabo, uyadeserve ukuba ukuthola le opportunity le yakubafana yet again. Siyazi ukuthi uke waba khona kubafana kwamanye ama-matches, especially ama-friendly nale bafana team B yakhona, but-ke awunayo le international experience yokudlala nama-teams around ku-African continent. So sobona ukuthi uzo-eda nor uzodlala or ngeke adlale. Nkotha-ke last game or last lokhunjana FIFA break ukwazile nokushaya igoli, udlale kahle kakhulu, even an assist simbonile edlala kahle kakhulu uMohaung Kotza. uRille Mofokeng uregaina i-confidence yakhe laphana Orlando Pirates again is picking up. Kuba uRille Mofokeng lo simjwayele, hayi lo uRille Mofokeng lo qala isizini ku-Orlando Pirates bese simdoubter, but uyabonisa even namanje ukuthi for sure uyi-superstar, so uyadeserve nayo kubafana. uFoster, I think khona i-striker or ama-forwards are better than uFoster, just ukuthi udlala-ke e-England, but for me I don't think one of the biggest strikers. Okay, South Africa number one is Leka striker, let's be honest, because mawubheka ezinye i-striker especially ezinabo ma-20 something azikho at all abantu abashisayo abashaya lese u-15 goals or 10 goals. Foster mebamlethele ukuthi une-experience yaphesheya overseas. uRainers is a better striker than uFoster, but obviously prefer uFoster than uRainers. And uFoster into engidina ngayo greedy. There are moments like kumele aphase khona, but no, he has an eye for goal. Kanti sometimes you have to be a team player ukwazi ukunika abanye abadlali chance ukuthi bakore, hayi ukuthi yonke into it's about wena ngoba udlala e-England, udlalela iBurnley mfethu. You're not even one of the biggest stars laphana e-England in terms of ama-strikers. Amagoli wakhe, must be amagoli wakhe akanawo amagoli better than let's say i-striker sakuSikhukhune United, Grobler bafowethu. So I mean obviously but coach decide, and esikhumbula ukuthi lo muntu lo wachitha ibafana nge-AFCON, azange eze wafake aboma-injury, but-ke nangu khona ubuyile. Kubonakala ngathi baya ku-AFCON ngoDisemba, yiso-ke isquad naye kubonakala ngathi uzoba khona laphana ku-AFCON nasazi. uSipho Mbuli iplayer le-Orlando Pirates, uSipho Mbuli number one, into esingayisho ngaye bafowethu, akadlala ama-full games, awudlala few minutes. Ngimbona adlala i-full game even naku-Orlando Pirates khathi esiningi can start from the bench. If he starts but he won't finish the game, akakabi nalo engine leyo, but he gives ibafana a different dimension, iba more dynamic because umfana ohlakaniphe kahle kakhulu bafowethu, ayi-superstar yena ukuba yi-superstar. I think into ekumele ayenze i-work ethic ukuthi ayi-ede more. Yabona uloma angasebenza kanzima, like asebenze kanzima ngempela, uSipho Mbuli could easily become one of the biggest stars on the African continent, because uyalazi ibhola but kune-element ukuthi hayi ngiyalazi vele, but I need him to work more hard, afinish ama-90 minutes, i-engine yakhe ibe right, i-fitness level yakhe ibe at the peak yet again, and then-ke sombona uSipho Mbuli lo esimaziyo, siyangazi ukuthi super talented. And then also in a policy Orlando Pirates, I mean, hey, what a player bafowethu, hayi, what a superstar. Yabona makuthiwa i-player na last time mangikhuluma ngaye ngasho ukuthi if khona umuntu odeserve i-hype uye u-Apholisi bafowethu ebholeni lase-South Africa. Lo muntu lo ushisa serious, hayi indaba yokudlala, uyi-star. Yabona makukhuluma ngomuntu okuthiwa i-star, uyi-star. Noma kuthiwa i-team iflat or uqala ebhentshini but uzongena lenze iplan, alishaye lelo goal, alithole leyo assist. So he's one of the biggest stars for Orlando Pirates, who contribute kakhulu. It makes sense ukuthi why amanye ama-team almost wonke ama-team amakhulu bawamfuna, even ama-teams wakwamanye ama-country bawamfuna, but Orlando Pirates yakwazi ukuwina i-race. uTapelo Morena bamselekthile laphana kuBafana Bafana. I think bamselecthe because of uversatile. Siyazi ukuthi he was out for some time, but Hugo Broos obviously unama-player wakhe awathembayo ukuthi yabona lama-player lawa azomlwela. So I mean uyalazi umfethu, une-speed, u-add i-versatility laphana esquadini seBafana Bafana. So I think it's well deserved in a way because isquad sakho Hugo Broos. Talent Mbatha same thing, bayazana no-Hugo Broos, noma uTalent Mbatha angaqalanga kahle isizini, but-ke I think leyo nto leyo imvusile emaqandeni, yambonisa ukuthi kumele alwe ngempela, azame ukudeliver for i-Orlando Pirates ukuthi Bafana Bafana ikwazi ukumselecta. I mean so far so good, ubuye udlala kahle kakhulu. Then uBathusi obas laphana kuMamelodi Sundowns on and off, amanye amagame akawadlali nokwadlala, but I think the aggression, maybe bamselectele i-aggression, the aggression side from yena uwenza i-team ibe more stable because uyi-warrior, uyi-fighter laphana esiswini overall. Teboho Mokoena-ke siyazi-ke, the best midfielder in South Africa. Central midfield. Yes, kuMamelodi Sundowns performance yakhe aya-fluctuate these days, yaphansi naphezulu, akusasolo Teboho esimaziyo, but-ke amalanga phela awafani namalokhunjana, nama-games awafani, so ngeke afane ama-performance kaBafo, but for me is one of the greatest. Into engiyithanda ngayo, like, is able to start ama-counter attacks, is able to defend, to protect defense, is able to dictate the tempo of the game, change i-game, is able to score from long range, is able to score ama-free kick. So i-contribution yakhe overall emagamini baluleke kakhulu, that is why bamselekthile. uSithole, the selection is questionable for mina bafowethu, uyaya because ube ku-injury for so long bafowethu, ube ku-injury elong. Okay, I think for i-depth eBafana Bafana, ne-aggression yakhe ne-physique bayamdinga, but I'm not too sure ukuthi uyadeserve at this moment ukubuya kwakhe ku-injury. Usadlala a few games after a long injury yakhe. I'm not too sure ukuthi uyadeserve ukuselectwa esquadini at the moment. I-fitness level yakhe ikuphi, udlala amagame ayingakhi, contribute kangakanani. Siyazi ukuthi already une-goal laphana ePortugal ku-team yakhe, but akakabi full fit overall, umuntu obuya kwi-injury. But njengoba bengishilo kwamanye ama-player ukuthi uHugo Broos une-team yakhe ayithembayo, une-experience, ukwazile ngempela ukudlala kahle kakhulu for iBafana Bafana, especially on the continental level. They need him again ukuthi bakwazi ukuqualify for i-World Cup leya next year. Nkosinathi Sibisi, same thing, beka-injured ku-Orlando Pirates. Wow, we haven't seen much of him since simbonile aqala igame leya ku-CAF. Obviously they were playing against a small team from Lesotho, but I'm not too sure if it's a solid selection overall. But I think what we can applaud, Hugo Broos because of ufuna uku-maintain i-team yakhe le ayaziyo, because uSibisi has been there since Hugo Broos wafika. He's one of the leaders laphana ku-national team. So yeah, it is sad ukubona amanye ama-player engekho, but azenzile, so khuluma ngabo before siyivala i-clip. And then uKabini udlala laphana eNorway, udlala i-left back. uKabini is not too versatile going forward, akakuniki lutho in terms of i-attack. Yena ustabilize like i-defense laphana emove ukuthi okay abe solid, but in terms of ukuthi like ufana nabo Basadeni, ufana nabo Mudiba, no, angeke akunike leyo nto leyo overall because akanayo leyo attacking style, or ukuthi uzoba i-modern left back ukuthi-ke une-flair, une-skill, no, akanako, but ukunika i-balance laphana emove, make markwa ku-defender overall. But yeah, it's a selection uHugo Broos ayithandayo noma ayikhethile, but I would have selected a different player for i-left back. But uMudiba vele ukhona, but I've selected i-balance if like uMudiba uba nenkinga, because iBafana Bafana ama-player akhona aba-injured isikhathi esiningi, but akhona ama-backup amanye. And then khona umfana laphana bafethu uMatuludi, lona wePolokwane City, naye ubuya ku-long injury, yabo. So I mean uHugo Broos kusho ukuthi unabantu bakhe, noma bangaba injured abaphinda babuyise futhi, noma kuthiwa baney'nkinga, but when they are available uzokwazi ukubabiza back. But yeah, congratulations to umfana ukuthi bakwazile ukumselecta. Umdlali lona ofuna ama-team amakhulu ase-South Africa, udlalela iPolokwane City, u-strong ngempela, i-physique strong. I mean, he gives a team that balance laphana emuva nayo. Mbekezeli Mbokazi, currently the best defender in South Africa, already is attracting interest kuma-European teams. ayi-superstar mfana, hhayi i-star. Yabona uma kuthiwa umuntu i-star bakhuluma ngoMbokazi. Well deserve i-selection yakhe, ayikho into engingayisho. uNdamane is growing in confidence obviously-ke kumele abe lapha under i-shadow yamanye ama-defenders are-good laphana kuBafana Bafana, but-ke naye u-good is comfortable on the ball, is able to start ama-counter attacks laphana i-move is a good pass off the ball, une-height ye-right ukuthi a-compete on the continental level. So umfana ngempela o-serious, umfana ozo-add-a something laphana kuBafana Bafana, even if kwenzakala amaphutha kwabanye abantu, but-ke yena uzokwazi ukubhalansa laphana. uModiba-ke siyazi ukuthi ulethani kuBafana Bafana in terms of ukuya phambili, because akusiyi traditional left back. That is why kwamanye amagame simbona thola ukuthi akadlali, because akusiyi left back, but it gives you something when he's going forward, like when the team is going forward, especially if the team is playing against a team too defensive overall. And then-ke uMudau, Khuliso Mudau are the best right back in the country bafethu. Ayi lo mdidi star. Yazi ngibukele igame yeMamelodi Sundowns, well deserved by the way, but again singamenshina nakhona ukuthi uMudau kuMamelodi Sundowns he was out for some time, akaqalanga isizini, but-ke sekayadlala again futhi kuMamelodi Sundowns. Yazi i-composure yakhe akatatazeli, like everything is close to perfection kuKhuliso Mudau. I-team khona la eMamelodi Sundowns i-off balance, i-team yonke off balance, but guess what, iside elibhalanse lakhe kuphela, no mistake 90 minutes yonke. La bashawa khona i-Golden Arrows azange bali-expose iside la Khuliso Mudau. Well balance, aggression is there, the speed is there, the recovery is there. Khona la uthola ukuthi uMudau expose let's say 2-in-1, but uyakwazi ukugijima like a-intercept lawo mabhola lawo, iplayela important kakhulu ebholeni lase-South Africa overall. Malibongwe Khoza elinye i-defender abaliselekthile. Well, masibheka uMalibongwe Khoza is a good solid defender. Well, I'm not too sure if he's one of the best defenders esinawo eSouth Africa, but yena is solid umfana, ngifuna ukuqamba manga. And I mean ubuya ku-10 kuyabonakala ukuthi umfana is open to playing for even i-B team yeBafana Bafana aphinde abuye, but kulo kuMamelodi Sundowns he has been solid bafethu, very very solid. Yena i-partnership yakhe noCupido, they've looked really solid. Even Mamelodi Sundowns, they've looked shaky sometimes, but Malibongwe Khoza, I think it's kind of well deserved in a way, because abantu abanokuselectwa amanye ama-defender weMamelodi Sundowns abafana nabo uKekana, but uKekana at the moment naye akadlali. I think it was bekanenkinga nyana or kwenzakalani, but yeah, uKekana, so ukusho ukuthi uthathe isikhala sakaKekana kule team le, well deserved. Umfana udefenda kahle kakhulu for iMamelodi Sundowns, make sure ukuthi ayiconcede amagoli, like i-stable. I remember ibuya ku-10 immediately wadlala kuMamelodi Sundowns, so well deserved. Sipho Orlando Pirates, I think it deserves to play some games laphana kuBafana Bafana. Ronwen Williams, I'm not saying is a good goalkeeper, but it's too relaxed. Uyazi ukuthi akekho umuntu omchallengeayo, one of the leaders yeBafana Bafana, but I think Sipho deserves an opportunity to play. Awugosi udlalela iSoilele, bamshaya amagoli week in and week out, hhayi but-ke is a good goalkeeper naye, but udlalela iSoilele FC ayikho into engingasho. Ngicela ukuzibamba la kwamanje bafethu, but into engingayimenshina enye, khona amanye ama-player uthola asase-out ama-player wakhona, bese expect ukuthi maybe bangawa-select, but injured amanye ama-player, kufana na-player le-Kaizer Chiefs uThabiso Munyane currently injured, is not back. Possibly bekanga-selectwa for iBafana Bafana because uMdunyelwa abekho, naye ulimele uMdunyelwa odlale kahle previous selection yeBafana Bafana previous games. Yeah, I think khona ama-missing players, but siyazi ukuthi kwenzakalani emathimini wabo, like ama-players wajwayele, siyazi ukuthi kwenzakalani, abaningi they are out ba-injured, but I think i-squad overall on average iwell-balanced squad bafethu, esingakwazi ukuthatha iBafana Bafana siyibeke laphana e-United States. So bazodlala nelokhunjana bafethu, bazodlala neZimbabwe ngeyi-10 October laphana eThekwini, and then bazodlala neRwanda ngeyi-14 October eMbombela. Ngicela ukuzibamba la. Danko bafethu, ngicela ningakhohlwa ukulike ne-subscribe.